Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix unfortunately Facebook has been stopped due to iOS. If you've been at the receiving end of such a similar issue yourself, you have come to the right place. We will share some troubleshooting method that you can try to fix Facebook app problem on your iPhone. Before starting the video, I have a request. If our video is of any benefit to you, please give a like and comment on the video. Your like and comment will encourage us to make next video. If a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. First, turn off your phone's internet connection. Now turn on the internet connection. Click App Store. Click Search, then type Facebook. Click Facebook. If you get any update, please update. Launch the setting app on your iPhone. Click General. Click iPhone Storage. Click Facebook app. Click Offload app. Then click Offload app. Click Reinstall app. If a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. If our video is useful to you, then like the video and share with your friends and family member. Wait for 7 to 8 minutes. The process takes some time to complete. If anyone has any problem, please comment.